Hazrat Ali said about grave, Barzakh and Hashr in his khutba without the letter alif. About grave, he described Warahino Kafri, and the grave is made by layer with bricks. Yasafi jismehi dudo kabrehi. Insects started running in his body. Yasilo sadido min kharihe. His nose starting running. يزحق طوبه ولحمه وينشف دمه ويدق عظمه. His cloth and flesh become dust, his blood dries up, and the bones began to decay. Hazrat Ali mentioned about the interval between the death and the resurrection as Hatta yoma hashin fayunsharu min qabrihi wa yunfakhu fi sur. He remains like this until the day of resurrection, until Allah will resurrect him from the grave and the trumpet will be blown. Hazrat Ali said about the Hashr as وَيُؤْدَى لِحَشْرٍ وَنُشُورٍ. Then he will be called Medane Hashr. وَخُسِرَ الصَّدُورِ. And the secrets of their chests will be revealed. وَاجِيَ بِكُلِّ نَبِيٍّ وَصِدِّيقٍ وَشَهِيدٍ. On the day, every prophet, Siddiq, and martyr will be present. وَتَوَلَّى بِفَضْلِ حُكْمِهِ رَبٌّ قَدِيرٌ بِعَبِيدِهِ خَبِيرٌ وَبَصِيرٌ. Allah is aware of his servants. He will issue his decisions. بَيْنَ يَدَيْ مَلَكٍ كَرِيمٍ بِكُلِّ صَغِيرَةٍ وَكَبِيرَةٍ عَلِيمٍ. On that day, a person will be brought before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with every small and big sin known to Allah. Hina izin yuljimuhu arakohu. On that day, the sinner will sweat because of shame. Wayahfiruhu kalakohu. And he will be sad on that day. Abratahu ghayru marhumatin. He will wail and cry, but there will be no mercy at that time.